Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Welcome to our Made in Minutes video for this week. We are going to be using the ice cream cone builder punch and the Itty Bitty Birthdays stamp set to make this great card. And so let me show you everything else you'll need for this. So like I said, you're going to need the ice cream cone builder punch, the ice cream corner sprinkles, Itty Bitty Birthdays, some scrap pieces of the ice cream corner designer series paper, scrap piece of terracotta tile, and then some of the basic white cardstock. I have all of the dimensions listed in our video or in the video description. It'll bring you to our blog and you could get all of the measurements there. You also need the well-written dies. We're specifically going to use the Happy. Additionally, some masking tape for some mark, take your pick tool, some adhesive, and then white embossing powder. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to emboss with the subtle embossing folder to give some of that cone-like texture to our basic white cardstock. Now that I have that done, I'm going to take our ice cream cone builder punch, and we are going to turn it over and we are going to punch out one ice cream that's going to be in this more of a petal pink color, and then we're going to punch one out using the darker kind of terracotta tile color. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that Happy die cut from the well-written dies, and we are going to cut it out on terracotta tile. Now that I have that die cut out, we are going to take some of our masking tape or painter's tape, and we are going to cover over the Happy and the Happy Birthday part of the stamp. Then we are going to take our Versa mark, and we are going to ink up the birthday. I want to take off the tape first. Now that we have that done, I'm going to take our white embossing powder and sprinkle it on there, then heat emboss it, and then it'll give us that nice white defined look. Now I'm just going to cut out the birthday. And what I forgot I needed to do is I need to punch out the cone for our ice cream using our punch. And I'm using this design that's a part of the designer series paper, and it's going to give us that cone look without having to do anything. Now we should be ready to assemble. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with our cone. Then I'm going to adhere our Happy on with some Tombow glue. And we're going to adhere the birthday on with some dimensionals. Now we're going to adhere this to our card base. Then our final step is to take some of our Tombow glue and our ice cream corner sprinkles and put them all over the card. I like to use our take your pick tool because it has that putty on the end, easy to pick it up, and then also another pokey tool that will help lay down the sprinkle. And there you have it. That is a quick and easy, very cute, very festive happy birthday card. I really hope you enjoyed this project, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. For measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog, which is in the description of this video. Thanks!